今はどう？大丈夫？
今はね、結構元気になってる。
Hello 皆さん、こんにちは。Welcome to Fun Tips with Mary. I just want to share my latest vlog. I know it's been a while. I think it's been 10 months since my last video, but I'm very happy that I made a new content, and this is a conversation with one of my students. So we talk in English and we talk also in Japanese so that you could see how I speak Japanese and how a Japanese talk in English. And I was very glad kasi pumayag yung estudyante ko na gawin kong content to. Kasi most of them, mahiyain. Ayaw nila makita yung mukha nila, kaya naman yung ibang mga vlogger na nagtuturo din ng English sa mga Japanese, if they do a content, most of the time, biniblur nila yung mukha po. But this time, in this video, makikita niyo po yung mukha ng aking student. His name is Hiroshi. He is a physical therapist. And he does a lot. He can draw, he can cook. He is attending cooking lessons and drawing lessons. And natutuwa ako na pumayag siya. Actually, I am asking him na gawa ka na rin ng channel mo after na content na gagawin natin. Kasi I know Filipino would also support you. Even though hindi naman perfect yung mga English namin, but I know very understandable naman yung English namin. And actually, whenever I have a free talk with the Japanese, I don't correct them. Sorry, alam ko naririnig yung ingay ng anak ko. Ayun, gising siya. But to continue, ayoko nang gumawa ulit. Dahil I don't have time. Usually kapag mabalik tayo, usually kapag tuturo ako ng Japanese, may free talk kami, hindi ko siya agad-agad tinatama or kino-correct right away kasi naapektuhan yung confidence niya in speaking English. But if I let him speak and speak and speak, so the confidence is there and he continually speaking in English. So, kino-correct ko lang siya pagkatapos na para at least he would know kung saan siya mga nagkamali. Siyempre, ihirap din na wala silang chance na magsalita ng English everyday, hindi katulad natin. But Hiroshi used to have twice a week lessons online sa akin and we, almost 2 years ko na siyang estudyante. Natutuwa ako na pumayag siya sa content na to. So without further ado, ito na yung conversation namin ni Hiroshi. Enjoy!
Hello, Hiroshi. 今日どうだっ
ハロー。
た？
今日はね、結構疲れて、一日よく眠ってましたね。
今はどう？大丈夫？
今はね、結構元気になってる。
ええ、
うん、
そうですか。
うん。
じゃあ、今日の天気はどう？
今日はね、今日、どうだったっけな。今日結構暑くて、
うん。
車の中にいると、かなり暑かった。車の中は。
ああ、
う
そうか。
ん。
今日もここ
だから、
に朝、朝から
うん。
晴れ。でも、3時から、ちょっとゆっくり曇りになった。
うーん。日本は今日は結構夏みたいな感じで、
うん。
まだね。だから、車の中に水を置いておくと、水が腐って飲めなくなっちゃうような感じ。
そう。
うん。
今日は、朝からこの部屋はちょっと暑くて、だから私も、水、いつもここに持って
う
くる。
ん。
でも、
そうそうそうそう。
でも、隣の部屋はちょっと違
うん。
う。だ
う
から、
ーん。
それはもっともっと暑い。
うーん。もっと
だから、
暑い。
扇風機は本当にいる。
ああ。
そう。今日は、いいな飯は作った？時
ああ、今日
々
はね、
作るでしょ？
でも最近作ってなくて、
うん。
でもこの前朝ごはんにホットケーキを作って、
そうか。
で、今日はそのホットケーキを冷凍しておいたのを、下の子供に食べさせてあげて、
よかった。
うん、美味しいって言ってくれるからね。うん、嬉しい。やっぱり。
最近は、お父さんはここにいるだから、 えーっ
うん。
と、いつも作ってる。だから、
う
もう、
ん。
私の、旦那さんは世話をするだけ。私のベビー。
う
世話をするだけ。
ん。
期間はもうあった。だから、暇になった。
ああ、なるほど。
Okay,
う
Hiroshi,
ん。
thank you. I think that's
Thank
fine
you.
already.
Yeah.
I think some of my students will enjoy having you talking, and now we can talk in English. So, you told me a while ago that you were tired. Why?
I have to go outside from 10 o'clock, and uh in addition, I I woke up at 2 o'clock midnight. Yes, yesterday night. So I woke up at 2 o'clock a.m. and I go outside and I went to internet cafe and I have to make a document. So
Mhm, mhm.
I go out and I came back home at 4 o'clock a.m. So I found that my younger daughter woke up and she watched YouTube on TV.
Oh,
And then I made a hot cake for her and she ate it and she said it's delicious. So
wow.
I was happy, but I slept after
Again.
that, yeah, again, and my daughter slept again.
Oh, and then
So
what time did you wake up?
I woke up at 8 o'clock and then I went to other city and I came home and I pick up my younger daughter because she woke up so too early. So I said to the teacher that my daughter woke up so too early, so it's finished.
Mhm.
Please, I want to take her to my home.
I
Mm.
understand. Yeah. How old again is your youngest daughter?
She is 10 years old.
Yeah, I think
Mm.
waking up two, and actually it's not so good for her age. It's better
Yeah,
for her
yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
take some
But
sleep.
she decided to wake up at 3 o'clock a.m. because she have the clock and
Alarm clock, okay.
she set the alarm at 3 o'clock a.m. It was so
Why it's so
strange.
why it was so early? 3 a.m. She will do
Uh,
homework?
s- she sometimes slept over, so she decided to wake up earlier. But it's too earlier, too early.
Yeah.
So it's strange. Mm,
Okay.
I don't know.
I thought maybe she forgot to or planned to do her homework for that day. So because before I do that, but I think I do that when I was in high school. So if I don't
Mm,
finish my homework, so I need to wake up as early as
ah,
possible so I could finish it before going to school. Yeah, I do that.
I
But
know.
for
I
her,
I tried it. Yes, yes.
for
Me
her,
too.
I think it's yeah, it's too early, and I think her homework is not so difficult to not so
Yeah,
difficult to wake up like that.
but waking up too early is not good.
Yeah, yeah.
Concentration is down.
Yes, you're right. You will become
Mm,
so sleepy because for me, I am not good at that. So sometimes my teacher would see me yawning like that, and then of course
yeah.
I will be punished because she
Mm,
thinks uh I got bored with her lesson or something.
yeah. The rhythm of the daily routine is important, I think. So
Yes.
I said to her so, but she didn't understand now.
Yeah, yeah.
Still now.
It's fine. It's fine. By the way, do you have any plan for this week?
Yeah, I went. I will go to drink with my patient because I will report a study about the treatment about him, and he gave me some reports and his photos or photos of X-ray. So it's my appreciation.
Appreciation, yes.
Yeah, I call him and we will go out and drink with
Oh,
him.
wow.
Mm.
Are you planning to stay up late tonight? Dri-
No, I these days I I go to I go to the bed very early. About it's about 9 o'clock or ten
Oh,
o'clock p.m.
I envy
Mm.
you because me,
Ah, yes,
I
yes.
used to I used to sleep around 12 or 1 or sometimes 2. Yeah, because of the baby. But
Mm.
I hope I could change the routine soon.
Yeah. Recently, I think it's the best way to make my condition is sleeping.
Yeah,
So I concentrate to have enough sleeping time. Mm.
that would be so nice. Actually, they said that adults decrease their time in terms of sleeping.
Mm.
So if you become
Yeah.
adult, for example, when you are in your childhood, you will have 8 hours. When you get, if you become an adult, you have 6 hours, 7 hours sleep. But they said one
Mm.
of the celebrity, I heard him answering in an interview that because he looks so young compared to his age, and he
Mm.
said his secret is to sleep early and wake up early. So,
Mm.
for example, he will sleep at 9, he will wake up at 7, like that. So he could have some time to exercise before doing everything. And he looks
Mm.
young. And he said, yeah, the secret is have more time to sleep. It will make your
Oh.
skin younger and then less stress because sleeping, if you sleep so late, yeah, that's the more stress. That's more stress.
It's good story.
Yeah, it is.
Mm.
And that celebrity is one of the celebrity that my husband really like because he is a cool guy.
Mm.
He's already
Oh.
in, I think he's already in 50s, but he looks just 30 plus, or yeah, he looks young. He looks young. Good looking and look
Mm.
young. He is not using any surgery or something, but it's just because of sleeping time.
Mm.
His secret is sleeping time.
He is very healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I would not take so much of your time, Hiroshi. Thank you, thank you. See you on next week, I
Welcome.
think, because it's October already, right?
Yeah, I think so. Mm.
Yeah. See you next week, Hiroshi. Thank you.
Yeah, see you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Tcharam! Natin po ang umiyak! At ito po ang nag-iyak-iyak kanina. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa aming vlog. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe so that you'll be notified for new video. Bye-bye! La 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 la! Bye-bye!